All right, you sick fucks, welcome back to the deep dive.
It's about to get real.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Yeah.
So we're going deep on this biotechnology bullshit today. Ripped it straight from Wikipedia's butthole.
Yeah, things are gonna get weird.
You already know it.
Mm.
So let's cut the crap. What the hell? Even IS biotechnology. I mean, Wikipedia gives us this whole long-ass definition.
Mm.
But, this ain't no science class, so break it down for us.
Okay. Biotechnology, it's basically us meatbags using other living shit to make other shit. You know what I mean?
Yeah, okay. So like using bacteria to make fucking cheese or some shit.
Exactly. Like you want a beer, yeast is your new best friend, needs some insulin.
Bacteria's got you covered.
So we're talking hijacking the building blocks of life to make whatever the hell we want.
Bingo.
Damn. So is this some new shit, or have we been messing with Mother Nature for a while now?
Oh no, this goes way back. Think ancient Mesopotamia. Those motherfuckers weren't just pounding beers.
Right.
They were OG biotech pioneers. They were the first to figure out how to use yeast to ferment that sweet nectar. Those crafty bastards. I never thought about it like that.
Yeah, and it's not just booze. We're talking bread, cheese, yogurt, all that good shit.
Okay, so we've been playing God for a minute. But when did shit really hit the fan? When did it get freaky?
Shit got real in the 70s, man. When those crazy scientists figured out how to splice genes.
Gene splicing? What the hell is that? Some Frankenstein shit?
It's exactly what it sounds like. Cutting and pasting DNA. Like a biological word processor.
Hold up. So we can literally rewrite the blueprints of life?
Yeah.
What the hell did that lead to?
Oh, just the birth of the entire modern biotechnology industry. From there, things exploded. Companies popping up left and right, patenting genetically modified organisms, creating all sorts of crazy applications.
What kind of freaky shit are we talking about?
We're talking disease-resistant crops, bacteria that can clean up oil spills. Shit that'll blow your mind.
So we went from beer to cleaning up our messes.
Yeah.
Bacteria's a busy little bitch. So what's with all these colors I keep hearing about? Red biotech, green biotech. What is this, some rainbow bullshit?
No, man, it's just a way to categorize the different areas of this crazy-ass field. Red is for medicine and drugs, green's for agriculture, white's for industrial applications, and gray's for the environment.
Okay, so like red biotech is making vaccines and shit.
Yeah, like vaccines, gene therapies, all that jazz. Green biotech is messing with crops, making them bigger, stronger, faster.
Right? And white biotech is like using bacteria to churn out chemicals and shit.
You got it. And gray is all about cleaning up this messed up planet we're living on.
All right, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Genetically modified crops.
Yep.
GMOs, as the cool kids call them.
Here we go.
Some people think they're the answer to world hunger. Others think they're going to turn us all into mutants. What's the deal?
GMOs, man. They're a hot topic. Scientists are splicing genes, creating crops that can resist pests, survive droughts, produce way more food. It's pretty impressive.
Yeah, but what about the Frankenfood freaks? They're all pissed off about messing with nature.
They've got a point. We're talking about messing with the very fabric of life. Who knows what could happen?
All right, so GMOs could solve world hunger or create some ecological nightmare.
Yeah.
Tough call. Where do you stand on this whole GMO thing?
Look, it's not about picking sides. There are risks and benefits to consider. We need to be careful. Do our research. Make sure we're not screwing ourselves over.
Fair enough. Let's move on to something a little less apocalyptic. What about this pharmacogenomics thing? What the hell is that? Some fancy word for expensive drugs.
No, pharmacogenomics is the future of medicine. Personalized medicine tailored to your unique DNA.
Wait, so you're saying we can get drugs designed specifically for our genes?
You got it. No more guessing games, no more side effects, just pure targeted effectiveness.
Holy shit. That's next level.
Yeah.
But let's be real. Only rich assholes are going to be able to afford that.
Yeah. Access and affordability are definitely concerns. But for now, let's just bask in the possibilities.
Possibilities. I like the sound of that. All right, folks, we've only just scratched the surface of this biotechnology beast. We've got a lot more to uncover, so stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive deeper into the dark side of this mind-blowing field. The ethical considerations, the potential downsides.
The shit that keeps you up at night.
You know it? Don't go anywhere.
You ready for round 2?
Oh, hell yeah. Hit me with your best shot.
All right, let's dive back into this biotech shit. We were talking about all the core stuff, personalized medicine, super crops. But, there's always a dark side.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
We're talking about messing with the very essence of life.
Right.
Shit can go sideways fast.
Okay, so let's talk about bioterrorism. That shit's straight out of a nightmare. Imagine some asshole cooking up a supervirus in their basement.
Yeah, bioterrorism is a legitimate concern. With biotechnology, we can engineer viruses and bacteria, make them more contagious, more deadly, more resistant to treatment.
So we're talking about a potential apocalypse.
It's a possibility.
Okay, so what are we doing to prevent this shit from happening? Are there any safeguards in place?
Yeah, there are international treaties, regulations, security measures, all that jazz. But it's a constant race against time.
So we're just sitting ducks waiting for some psycho to unleash a plague.
Not exactly, but the risk is always there.
Okay, let's talk about GMOs again. Those genetically modified crops that everyone's freaking out about.
Here we go.
They're supposed to solve world hunger, but what if they mess up the ecosystem?
That's a valid concern. We're introducing these modified organisms into the environment.
Right.
We don't fully understand the long-term consequences. It's like playing with a giant Jenga puzzle.
One wrong move and the whole thing comes crashing down.
Exactly.
Okay, so GMOs are a gamble. What about the health risks? Are we all going to start glowing in the dark or something?
I don't think we'll be glowing anytime soon.
Yeah.
But there are potential health risks to consider. Some people worry about allergies or other unintended consequences.
So we're basically guinea pigs in a giant science experiment.
In a way, yeah. We're all part of this experiment, whether we like it or not.
All right, let's shift gears for a minute. Let's talk about the ethical side of all this. We're talking about manipulating the building blocks of life. Where do we draw the line?
That's the million-dollar question. Biotechnology gives us the power to play God. And that's a pretty scary thought.
Yeah, for sure. It's like opening Pandora's box. Once we start messing with this shit, there's no going back.
We need to have some serious conversations about the ethical implications of this technology.
Absolutely. What about designer babies? Is that shit actually going to happen?
It's already happening. The technology exists. We can already screen embryos for certain genetic traits.
So we're talking about creating babies with specific eye color, intelligence, athletic ability.
It's all on the table.
Damn, this is some serious shit. I need another beer.
I hear you.
So what's the verdict? Is biotechnology going to save humanity or destroy us?
It's a double-edged sword. It has the potential to do incredible good, but it also has the potential for great harm.
So it all comes down to how we use it.
Exactly. We need to be careful, thoughtful, and responsible. We need to have open and honest conversations about the risks and benefits.
And we need to make sure this technology doesn't fall into the wrong hands.
Absolutely.
All right, folks, we've just scratched the surface of the ethical and societal implications of biotechnology. It's a complex and controversial topic, but one thing's for sure. It's going to shape the future of humanity. Stay tuned for the final part of our deep dive, where we'll wrap things up and explore what the future holds for this mind-blowing technology. Okay, you magnificent bastards, we're back for the final round of this biotechnology brawl. We've talked about the good, the bad, and the ugly. Now it's time to gaze into the crystal ball. What's the future hold for us puny humans in this crazy world of gene editing and designer babies?
The future's a mixed bag, man.
Oh, come on. Don't give me that vague bullshit.
All right. We're on the verge of some mind-blowing breakthroughs, but there are some serious risks, too.
Okay, cut the crap. Are we talking utopia or dystopia? Disease-free immortality, or a planet ruled by genetically modified overlords?
Probably somewhere in between.
Okay, smartass. Give us the good news first. What's got you so optimistic?
Personalized medicine, man. That shit's gonna revolutionize healthcare. Imagine getting a diagnosis and treatment plan based on your unique DNA.
So no more one-size-fits-all bullshit.
Exactly. Just targeted therapies that actually work.
Okay, so we're talking about curing cancer, Alzheimer's, all those nasty diseases.
Potentially, yeah. We're already seeing some incredible results with gene therapy.
That's what I'm talking about, hope for the future.
Okay,
So what about the ethical concerns, the whole designer baby thing? Are we going to be able to keep this technology from turning into a shit show?
It's a tough one. As with any powerful technology, there's the potential for abuse.
Right.
We need to have some serious conversations about gene editing and all that.
Yeah, who gets to decide what traits are desirable? What happens to the kids who aren't genetically engineered to be perfect little angels? This shit gets dark fast.
It's a slippery slope, man. We need to be careful.
You're telling me? We're talking about the future of humanity here.
Exactly. We got to make sure we don't fuck this up.
Okay, enough with the doom and gloom. Let's end this on a high note. What else is biotechnology cooking up, besides personalized medicine?
How about engineering bacteria to clean up pollution and produce biofuels?
Wait, so you can use bacteria to save the planet?
We can use it to clean up our messes and wean ourselves off fossil fuels. It's pretty amazing stuff.
Damn, that's impressive. So it's not all bad news. Maybe biotechnology can actually save our asses.
It's a powerful tool, man. It all depends on how we use it.
That's a good point.
Yeah.
We need to make sure it's used for good and not for evil.
Absolutely.
All right, you beautiful bastards. That's a wrap on biotechnology. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the history of this crazy shit to the mind-blowing possibilities and terrifying risks. It's a wild ride. But one thing's for sure, biotechnology is going to shape the future. So stay curious, stay informed,
Yeah.
and for fuck's sake, don't let the machines take over.
Peace out.